My name is Nevin Davis. I'm from New Gloucester, Maine, born and raised here in the state, and I go to college down in Queens, New York City at Vaughn College of Aeronautics and Technology. I'm studying for my bachelor's degree in aircraft operations, so I'm studying to be a pilot. 4-year program. I got a long way to go, but I'm still learning. I actually spoke to someone that works at Bill Dodge, the car dealership, who happens to know Mark. So I got in contact with Mark through him, and Mark set everything up here with me because he wanted me to start as soon as I could once he found out that I was a student pilot and interested in the aviation industry. Well, it was actually it was a very positive experience. Coming from the other side of the spectrum as a pilot, you don't really get to experience this side of things a whole lot. So being able to transition from one side to the other and see what both sides do kind of helps you grow as a person, like in the industry, so that you can have a better understanding for everything that goes on and an appreciation for it. Because I did this internship here, and because I took the time to learn this side of things, my flight school found out about that, Heritage Flight Academy. That's where I do all my flight training, and they actually offered me a job as a line guy down there, fueling all of their aircrafts. So it kind of gives me a leg up. So since I'm already going to be there for all my flight training, I also get a position fueling the planes and helping out there. So I get to go give back and help out my community that's helping me. So I'd say that's a plus. And it also just, it broadens my connections and horizon on the people that I've met. And the aviation industry is a really tight-knit community. So knowing all these different people and meeting these different people, I can come back years later and still recognize people, and I'll be able to pick people out and have those connections. So if I ever need a reference or something like that, I know good people who are willing to do that for me.